Hi, it's the Honey Queen, and it's Beeswax Meltdown time, also known as my Cousin Julie hack. The best, purest beeswax to use is your yellow. Now, this is in a hard block, and you can cut it off, or you can grate it, which I used to do, which roll that out, forget that, no more. I'm gonna show you the best way to do that. I know you can order it by pellets, but those are processed ones. First step is to get a silicone. I picked this up actually at Goodwill. Second step is you're going to measure how much one of these holds so you know. I'm guessing this is 2 tablespoons, and I put it in here, and I'm spot on. So there we go, 2 tablespoons. So I know when I fill that up, it's gonna be 2 tablespoons. Second step is we're going to melt this in our double boiler. I'm going to boil water and melt this down. While it's melting back there, I'm going to pour this water out because you want this perfectly dry. And make sure that your double boiler has enough water in the bottom pot. After it's melted down, pour it into the molds. And let it cool and pop it out. After you pop them out, then you can store them in a Ziploc baggie, and then you have a pre-measured wax to use. So you have these beeswax, or you could do it with cocoa butter or shea butter, all pre-measured. And what can you make with it? It's endless. Check my YouTube out on that. Grandkids, did you find a bee? Yep, right there. So remember, antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, vitamin A. It's a healing property, moisturizer, protection, so much more with beeswax. Have a beautiful day. Another reason you use pre-measured is because cocoa butter and shea butter, they come in big things like this, just like the big beeswax. Really hard to use, so pre-measured all the way. Thanks for joining me on this Beeswax Meltdown.